Use about Regent flushing like that. Get it full. This is what it looks like. That's pretty neat. That's the tank lid right there. And that's the packaging. Let's see how it does. Pretty good. On the 15, I think that does pretty good. Actually, I'll flush some toilet paper down. That's what you have to. I think that's pretty good. Isn't that a deck though? I like the stone and number. The room design. Oh yes, it is also a closed room toilet. What's it filling up like that? How's that look with toilet paper right now? I wonder how this one can handle it. As far as buttons go, I think this is pretty good. Now let's give it a flush. I think that is pretty good. Took it down without problem. As far as more toilets where they clog on that more toilet paper. I should have remained a bit down. Also, I'd use this soap, but yeah, shall we? As for solid waste, see how they handle the soap down the toilet there. They should do pretty well. For a small flush here with that. Yep, going down. I guess these cheap things ain't bad after all. Also, it's no replacement for anything. Well, I'm gonna get one last flush until that's full. Wouldn't mind having this for replacement toilet for my upstairs bathroom. But I would have to replace the sink too. Sadly, I ain't allowed. I keep getting rejected to replace anything. It does pretty good for 4.5 litres or 6 litres or anything like that. Pretty good, decent flush too. Sounds pretty good. Looks pretty good. And for a price, I think it's just fantastic. I hope you guys enjoy. Please comment, like and subscribe.